So we're here with Advertima here, and it's doing an interesting shape on my face, and it can analyze and say I'm 32 years old. I'm nearly 32. That's great. So it's very accurate. And you showing 26, 22. All right, you're 22 years old.
No.
All right, that's what it says. All right, that's cool. So hello. So who are you?
I'm Iman. I'm one of the co-founders of Advertima, and this is Chris, also co-founder.
Exactly.
So this is just one of the things you do. You can detect how old people are.
Yeah, I mean, basically what we've tried is to create an artificial intelligence that we're working on, which analyzes the current situation in front of an installation, which can be a screen like we have here. And then based on this information, it decides what content do I have to show to create a personalized and positive experience for the people in front.
So this is a technology kind of like, is it open source or not? How to detect age?
Yeah, I mean, our own
yeah.
algorithms, yes, exactly. At the moment we have age and gender, but the next step which we'll have in summer is emotions, tracking, clothes tracking, and as well as eye contact with the screen.
Really?
Yeah.
No eye tracking, no?
Eye tracking at the moment not yet, but
Okay.
after we will have, if someone actually looked at the screen.
You could have an IR beamer, and then the idea is you want to put advertising for that person.
Yeah, I mean, we're not an advertising company, but it's one of the use cases where we actually implemented it already. So it's basically a decision-making process, real-time decision-making process. Based on this information, it will decide what's going to be the next clip on this screen. Like men's toilet, because here we are like 4 guys now at the moment.
Yeah.
It shows content for men.
Nice. That's actually amazing, no?
Yeah, it's great because
Anybody is doing this or not?
I mean, there are companies trying to do it, but we defined another process now, a new process, which is like tracking, persona analysis, and then the targeting. And this is like a unique way how we do it. And now we are talking about screens, but the next output sensors will be speakers, lights, and even smell machines to create a multi-sensory experience.
So are you 59?
No.
No, that is not far, maybe. Or less.
53.
53. Okay, maybe you need to be in the middle of the.
It's getting
Right.
better. Look, now it's coming down.
All right. So there's huge potential in using display targeted the right way to the right people.
Exactly.
And
I mean,
dynamic.
exactly, in real time. What we have online already for years now is going to come also now into the real world, but we're also working with banks. We also have a case for people flow management, for example, in a train station where you have a lot of people, so the signaletics, the signs adapt to the amount of people, so also to increase safety within a train station or an airport.
But I think it'd be great. You just walk around and it kind of like gives you advertising that's like a little bit like Google is trying to optimize advertising. Optimizing the display advertising is very important.
Exactly. So you really just receive this information that is interesting for you, because studies show that more than 80% of the content that we see on a daily basis is not relevant for us, and that's why we start to ignore this content and also miss information that could be interesting for us.
Is there any chance that you can in the future potentially have a global system or a national system that where people can approve that they would get even like personal even
Yeah.
more, and then you will have face recognition for some people who allow you to do it.
Yeah.
They would get actually personalized
Yes.
to themselves.
We already have the case actually, because we are working with a Swiss shopping center, and there we also implement the app. And in the app you can upload your profile picture and decide and agree that you will be recognized by your person, by your image, and then you have another open window and a lot of possibilities, because you can really target this specific person and retarget it again. And we're also connecting it to the website and the newsletter. So also the website is dynamic and the newsletter is dynamic and personalized just for you. So based on your movements within the shopping center, you will receive afterwards, after the visit, a newsletter that is really the stuff that you're actually interested in. So through the whole customer journey.
Are you a Swiss company?
Yes, we are a Swiss startup. We just started 12 months ago. we grew from 4 to 28 people now
28?
already. Yes, yes.
So some people really like this idea.
Yes, definitely. I mean, we just started the business development 2 months ago, and we are talking to a lot of big companies, banks, of course also advertising industry, but we are a software company. We want to develop the software, improve it, and then it can be used by many other companies.
Right
in the
now here it
industry.
looks like an Xbox system here. Maybe you should develop a specific camera
We
hardware.
We just have the Xbox camera here for the showcase because
you have
it's,
your own hardware.
yeah, we are not producing hardware, but we are in an early stage still as a startup. We have already the customers, but what we are trying to now to play with different hardware, because in the end it should be a plug and play solution. So we want that it's going to be possible to connect any camera.
It's important to have a 4K high resolution so you get a lot of detail. You need a fast CPU, ARM.
Yes, exactly.
ARM
You need
CPU?
a lot of
Especially GPU.
GPU.
Yeah.
So Nvidia is a good solution. Maybe the X1 or X2, the Jetson TX. You try these?
Actually, we are not the techies in the company, but I guess we are up to date about every hardware that is available on the market. But what we also know, to get back to your question, if you use 2D cameras, we need more power, better GPUs. So we are working also together with Nvidia.
It's good to have a 2D, two cameras. It helps to have two cameras, a 3D kind of system. Or
Yeah, we are working right now on a system that uses different 2D cameras to make a 3D picture out of it.
and to get the best result, you get the average of whatever this camera thinks and the other one, and then you get maybe more accurate age. Maybe.
Actually, this is not what we do.
Okay.
But the estimation is how many? I think 10 estimations per second are done.
Nice. Cool. So looking forward to better advertising everywhere, right? It's going to be great. Okay.